moment of the spin. You can't say that. Woohoo! Kevin, you're texting Sam? As for me, pretty unbelievable ideas of the game. If you have any doubts, please report it in a private chat with your Casino/Support 3X on the Crazy Time. We are going to finally play that Crazy Time with the 3X Top Slot Multiplayer. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's my real honor to open the door for you. So, check out how to play it on, and let's go to play it. Welcome to the crazy world. Ay, caramba, me gusta. Love it. So, 64 segments are getting doubles, triples, and multiplies. And now, everything straight away gets triple. So every 100x turns into 300x. And so on. Looks beautiful, right? Still there, doubles and triples to catch. Anyways, decide if you're going to play with the green, blue, or yellow flappers. So, choose one flapper or let that being there for you on an auto pick. Anyways, your bet will be paid back with a multi. I wish you to get the doubles and triples first. It's up to 600x to go already. Good luck with the spin, ladies and gentlemen. $75x for green, 300x for blue, and 30x for yellow flapper. Blue flapper.
Here on heads, Grace Universe, use autoplay. And tell me something nice. Good luck. Betting time is over. Alright, I wish you well. 3X on Pachinko. How tall is Pachinko machine? I'm 175, so when I go there, I don't know how tall is the wall. It's taller than I am. Oh, we can test it. We can see. Yep, we can see. 3X on Pachinko, guys. Da-da-da. Potentially real good. So, I'm 175. This is as close as I can get to the wall, so quite a big wall. It's 2 something. Anyways, let's see. We got 3X, so let's get the base ones down. Da-da-da-da. So 35, 200 and a double. Times 3, we have 600 there. Uh-oh. But everything's gold. That's okay. But we like the double there. We do like that. I will try to, I always drop it down with my right hand. I'm doing it with my left one this time, because why not? YOLO. Very weird to use my left hand for that. Hopefully my left hand will be luckier. Oh, it's a real lucky left hand. 600, ladies and gents. Left hand was the answer. How I didn't think of it. Cher, Gunnar, Samu Star, and Eva as well. 6.1 thousand of viewing. Good luck, guys. That was nice.
The page. Boulevard of Broken Ones. The only boulevard we've ever known. Shout out to Blink-182 coming back, by the way. $500 tickets. Good luck all. Arthur, what is this? Not even giving out 2 on top slots. Well, don't say it like that, BDM. Not even a top slot 2. No, we either get it or we don't. What is this? 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 Look, I became a seal. Okay, a 5X cash hunt. Woo! I became a seal for you guys. 5X cash hunt, man. Okay. We've seen this board, but we'll multiply it 5 times. So 500X is the best. None of that 10X business no longer. At least 50. I think, right? Or was there 7? Never mind. Maybe there was a 5. I didn't see. All I saw was shiny golds. Okay, guys, you know the drill. Everything randomized, kidding. Pick one symbol. 5X cash hunt. Take it home, people. Take it home. Cupcake. I'm telling you. Cupcake is good. No, I see 4 sheriff's badges. One of those 4 sheriff's badges, I'm telling you guys. It's the 4-star GTA. It wasn't bad. But there's the 500 in the smack-down middle. For under 100 of you. Bah! Alright. 24,000 top win, you're kidding me, or so. 5,800 players.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.